Oh, it's been so long I didn't make my video on YouTube. Hi guys, I'm Shandita, and a lot has changed since I left for college, and since then I didn't make a video out on YouTube, and things have changed, and for the better, for so I guess, and a lot has happened. Okay, it was a series of movies. Like it had good events, it had bad times, it had good times. Lot of I entered college with a lot of expectations, and it went down. But do I regret coming to college out of my hometown? No, I don't. It taught me a lot of stuffs, a lot of lessons, lot of like a mindset shift. Like, what do you believe? पता है मतलब एक क्या होता था. I used to be in a place where I used to be highly pampered. ठीक है, घर पे सब लोग सब कुछ करके दे देते थे, and but going to a new place, taking that responsibility, doing things by yourself, and that's a new thing. You can't ever learn that staying at your hometown. And I feel like even though it was harsh, even though it was such a big decision, I would never regret coming to here. When it was a series, okay, a timeline follow kiya tha when I came here, and it was good. It was a firecrackers the, बहुत से मजे थे. I entered college. First week was good, okay. First week because now college and everything was so you try to adjust. ठीक है, so but मतलब फिर जाकर ना एक वेकेशन मोड में थी मैं. पहला हफ्ता of the college was like a vacation mode for me, because oh my god घर से दूर है, मम्मी पापा नहीं होंगे, मजे करेंगे, and full on. ठीक है, हिट हुई सेकंड हफ्ते में. सेकंड हफ्ते में शिट, कहाँ आ गया, क्या हो रहा है, कुछ समझ नहीं. Then you hit I guess the first 15 days of the college you don't get the homesickness because you're still at the new environment, and फिर वो मज़े वाला मूड अभी भी रहता है. वो 15 डेज के बाद मेरे को होम सिकनेस हिट हुई, बहुत गंदी वाली. मतलब शिट शिट, बहुत ख़राब हो रहा है ये वो. इट टुक मी अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू एडजस्ट टू कॉलेज कैंपस. ठीक है, एंड आफ्टर दैट it was tough. You had to do every chore by yourself. सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, सारी काम, सब कुछ खुद ब खुद करना पड़ रहा था. It was hampering me. It was so much happening at one time, one go में सारी इतने काम, and I was unable to manage it, and वो समझ नहीं आ रहे थे कि कैसे बात करनी, क्या करनी, how are people, and I learned, and some things happened, and do I regret some things which has happened? No, I don't, because I feel like regret is a big word. You can't regret something, yaar. If something has happened to you, it has happened to you. You should take lessons from it. ठीक है भाई, हो गई, ठीक है, चलो ठीक है, अब इससे क्या कर सकता है भाई. The thing is that life is big. A lot can happen, a lot can change, and I feel like my life has turned upside down. क्या थी मैं, अब मैं क्या हो गई हूँ. It's two different individuals. I feel like such a character development. I've started journaling. I write journals every day, which I didn't do beforehand, and it's such a big step for me because I used to be a girl who apne mein, and I used to be surrounded, and I didn't enjoy my own time. College taught me that. College taught me a lot of stuff. I would never deny my college is a fun place. It's a very amazing place to be in. Overwhelming भी होती है, exams भी आ रहे हैं मेरे, I have to study, but I don't regret it. It's everything comes with its ups and downs, and I feel like I have taken the ups and the downs. And anybody who is thinking, ठीक है, कि they should leave their hometown and go to their college and have that, and definitely the first step is leave your hometown. That's the biggest step you could take, because I was a homebody. Bhai, I was the most pampered child you would ever find. It's मैं इतनी pampered थी ना कि अभी तो हंसी भी आती है. It's like I used to get मम्मी सब करके देती थी, pressed कपड़े, everything used to be very sad for me. कॉलेज जाके जो हिट हुआ ना मेरे को कि सब कुछ खत करना पड़ रहा था, मैं पागल हो गई थी एक पॉइंट पे जाके. एक पॉइंट पे इतना सारा, एंड माई कॉलेज इज़ अ वेरी फन प्लेस, ओके. इवेंट्स पे इवेंट्स होते रहते हैं, एंड इतनी ओवरवेलम हो गई थी मैं, एंड इट वाज यूज्ड टू बी वेरी टफ फॉर मी सब कुछ एडजस्ट करना. एंड आई यूज्ड टू क्राई ऑन माई बेड कि भाई क्या हो रहा है, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है. बट नाउ आई लुक बिहाइंड, ओके. Okay, so like just remember when you are at the lowest point, right, of life, like this low, you would only go up then. Okay, ऐसा ऐसा ऊपर ही जाना होता है. And then I I learned to look happiness and like search for happiness in small small things. And I feel like what I am today, I'm I'm very emotionally stable, Abhi. I'm very secure. Like I'm so grateful for whatever has happened, even the bad things that has happened to me. ये thank you for so much कि like ये हुआ मेरे साथ. Because even though मैं भी I look behind कि ये नहीं था, ये खराब हो गया, ये क्यों किया मैंने, ये क्यों किया. Yes, there are regrets, but you can't delve yourself in the regrets, right? You look behind and ठीक है यार, कर ली मैंने गलती. I'll take a lesson out of it. And but today when I sit here, talk with my screen, I feel like the last video, the Shaya out there was a different person. The Shaya out here is a different person. It's like एक होती है ना self content कि like you're satisfied with yourself. There was a time when like oh my god I used to be constantly on my phone कि कौन क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं किससे बात करनी कौन है ये वो नहीं अभी. It's just peace. You the thing is that I have been in so much peace with myself at this point, and like I'm ready to take criticisms also. If there's something wrong with me, I would like to know about it. Because, see, nobody in this world is perfect, okay? Everybody has their own flaws, everybody has their own reasonings, everybody has their own reasons for something to happen. मेरी भी होगी, मैंने भी कोई गलती की होगी मेरी लाइफ में. I want to learn from it. That open mind. And I know, अब तो भाई बस it was the first semester की ending है. But there's so much more to see. कितना ज़्यादा लाइफ बाकी है मेरा देखना. And like just imagine इतने में इतना कुछ बदल गया है. अभी 5 साल है मेरे लाइफ के और कॉलेज में रहने की. कितना कुछ बदल जाएगा, कितना कुछ सिखाएगा. And like it's a beautiful thing, right? Like small incidents in life teach you so big things. And like how I used to be a bit very like I used to be very close-minded and like देखती थी and I didn't get things. Now I look behind and look around. It's understandable. चीज़ें सीखी, अपने पे focus किया, and today where I am, I'm in a very better stage of my life where I could take care of myself without being dependent on anyone else. And I feel like this was a journey which was required, and I look behind and if anybody asks me, will you change anything in your life, like something that has happened, and would you like to change it? I'm like, no, I would keep it the way. I won't change anything which has happened in my life till now. I will keep it the same way, and I will let that happen because those were lessons which I had to have in my life, which unfolded in a certain ways and has given me so much of blessings. And I feel like even the bad things that have happened in my life were like big blessings because you learn from it. And yeah, humans, yeah, things happen, you learn from it. बहुत कुछ होंगे. And like, yes, and like the person I was 6 months back, and I feel like you evolve as a person all the time. Every 6 months, you're a different person because so many things happen. You have like just imagine one day has 24 hours and like so much is happening within that 24 hours. The next day इतना 24 hours में और एक कुछ हो जाता है. Like इतना कुछ होते होते like you have so much experience in you that you are a different person altogether. And even though city change, environment change, and like मेरी पूरी menstrual cycle भी अलग हो गई थी because my body was unable to adjust to the new environment, that मेरी period cycle भी बदल गई थी पूरी, and like it was like fluctuating and मेरा bodily, my headaches, it was so bad. But now I look behind and like I can take care of myself now. I don't need anyone to like be and like look at me like, do I need you? मेरे को चाहिए क्या? And I'd be like, nahi yaar, I could take care of myself now. It's like, you know, that feeling ki completeness wali, ki yaar koi aur chahiye hi nahi. I'm okay with myself. So now that I'm feeling so comfortable talking to the screen and I'm like, क्या ही बोल देंगे कोई इंसान मेरे को देख के. That's a good feeling, you know. वो मेरे पे पहले नहीं थी कि like भाई वो क्या बोलेगा, ये देख लेगा, वो देख ले. मैं देखो क्या बोल देगा, बोलो. बोलना है बोलो, कितना बोल सकते हो बोलो. It's like बोलना है बोल दो, करना है करो. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या ही बोल देंगे, गाली दे देंगे मेरे को, कितनी गालियाँ दे सकते दे देंगे. बोल देना. What could happen? What's the worst could that happen? Okay. Okay. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा I'll die. Okay. I'll die. That's a simple thing. Everybody dies. And like, it's a series of things that unfolds and things happen. And I feel whatever has happened in my life till now, it's a beautiful journey. And I feel like anybody watching out here, if you are planning to leave your hometown, leave that place, okay? Leave that. You will have bad days. I promise you will have bad days. But are those bad days worth it for the good days? They are ultimately the best time you will ever have in your life. Do that. Do that for yourself. And yeah, learn to take care of yourself. Put yourself on the pinnacle. Okay? You don't deserve to be like treated as shit. Love you.